Welcome to the 2017 Dog Valley Precision Challenge presented by Rocky Boots. We're here in Nephi, Utah for the 4th match in the National Rifle League's inaugural season. Match director Cole Quarnberg has set up 20 courses of fire that emphasize movement, hunting skills, and the use of natural terrain. Today, over 120 shooters will be competing in winds up to 20 miles per hour in beautiful sunny conditions. You're watching Day 1 of the Dog Valley Precision Challenge. Stage 5. Hold my beer and watch this. With a round count of 10 and a 2-minute time limit, shooter will start from inside the truck and engage target 1 with 3 shots. Then move to position 2 and engage target 2 with 4 shots. Then finally move to position 3 and engage target 3 with 3 shots.
Hey guys, we are here at the 2017 Dog Valley Challenge here in Utah. I'm with Jake Fibbert. Jake, how are you, sir?
Great, thank you. How are you doing?
Very good, thank you. So it was an absolute pleasure watching you here on stage 5. Can you walk us through the course of fire, please?
So, I really liked this stage. It was very challenging. You had 3 different targets from 3 different positions, and so you started from the crux between the door and the window. And for me, it was challenging the way the truck was positioned. I'm a lefty, and I had to shoot that right-handed, and I was all sorts of screwed up.
Yeah, you were doing some kind of over and under.
I was over, under, all sorts of stuff. It actually turned out okay. I hit all 3 of those from that position. Then I transitioned to the hood, and there's a line on the hood. You got to shoot right over the top of that. That was a fairly easy position, straightforward. The target was actually a little bit bigger. The first target was an 8-inch. This target looked to be about a 10-inch. So I really enjoyed getting a nice prone shot there, and that was an advantage for a lefty the way the truck was positioned. So started off my first position a disadvantage, but my second position was an advantage. And then I had about 20 or 25 seconds left. Ran to the back of the truck and tried to get 3 decent shots off. I ended up getting 2, and I pulled my last shot, which was just a bad shot, and I think I pulled a little bit left. But 9 out of 10 on this stage, I'll take it. It was a good
all day
run.
long, all day long, baby.
So it was fun, great stage, challenging. I envision a lot more challenging stage, as the day goes on.
And that's one of the things a lot of the competitors are anticipating is right now, this weekend, we're anticipated to have 20 to 40 mile per hour gusts of winds. Right. And right now it's fairly calm.
Yep, so right now we got about 5 miles an hour. It's kind of at our back or at our 5 o'clock or so. So a little bit of right wind. As soon as it gets up, I guess about noon or so, they said there's a red flag warning. That means between 20 and 40 miles an hour with gusts up to 50. I'm excited to hold 50-mile-an-hour wind. Let's see what happens.
You ever shot a tornado before?
Not yet. We're about to do it.
We're about to do it.
Yeah.
Well, guys, keep an eye on Jake. We'll be sure to catch you at a couple other stages here today and tomorrow.
Thanks,
Wish you
guys.
the best of luck, sir.
Thank you. Take care.
Hey guys, we are here at the 2017 Dog Valley Challenge with Clint. Clint, how are you, sir?
Good, thank you.
Awesome. So we just watched you complete stage 5, and you look like you're having fun, but you also had a lot going on in your head. What was that?
You can't take yourself too serious or your mind starts, letting you not shoot to your ability. So tried to have fun, keep the basics going, even though it's a complex stage like that truck.
So what was the most challenging for you? Because, I mean, was it the door jam? Was it the hood? I mean, the hood's not good. That's not that
Well,
difficult.
it's kind of tough because of the angle of it, so you got to get your rifle in line with the targets. And so a right-handed shooter kind of had a tough position there, so I had to wrap my left arm around the antenna.
That's right, because it's actually the angle of it. It's more advantageous for a left-handed shooter. That's right. Okay.
So, it's fun though. It's a good stage. The wind stayed pretty consistent for me the whole round. So didn't get off 2 shots, but other than that, it's a good stage. It's fun.
Awesome. So what's your game plan going into the rest of the day, knowing that we're headed towards some inclement wind?
Just try to get the read on the consistency, the direction. It's going to pick up, but that might change the hold a little bit more. But just get the feel of the direction. Even though it's blowing real mild right now, as long as the direction stays consistent, that's what I'm going to try to focus on for the later half of the day.
Awesome. Well, we look forward to seeing you shoot. We know your squad's already moved on to the next stage. I don't want to hold you up, sir.
Thank you.
I really appreciate it.
All right.
See you later, brother.
Stage 8, Redneck Floaty Thing. With a round count of 10 and a 2-minute time limit, shooter will start on the platform and engage targets 1 through 5 for 2 shots each. Shooter will only be allowed to use a bipod and rear bag on the platform.
How was it?
Oh, that was a fun stage. Very well put together prop. First time I've ever shot off of water, and it's always nice to do well on it too. So, good job to everybody here that put on this match. Really appreciate it. Having a great time.
It was an interesting stage. First time ever done it on water, but I loved it. It was fun. So, my hat's off to whoever thought up that crazy. That's it.
Stage 7, Grizzly Adams is a wuss. Shooter will start on the saddle with a 45-70 lever action rifle and engage target 1 with 2 shots. Their 2-minute time limit starts right after, and shooter will move to position 1 and engage targets 1, 2, 3 with 1 shot each. Move to position 2 and engage targets 3, 2, 1. Then move to position 3 and engage targets 1, 2, 3, 1.
Hey guys, we are here at Dog Valley. I'm here with Dan. Dan, you just completed Kirsty Adams is a wuss.
Yeah.
Can you walk us through the stage for us, sir?
Yeah, so you start off on the sitting in the seat, and they hand you a 45-70 loaded with 2 rounds, and you shoot a buffalo at I think 120 or 130 or so.
All right, guys.
Lever action, pretty cool. A little bit different than what we're used to,
Right.
in the sense that I shoot a 6 with a muzzle brake.
A lot heavier around.
You can barely feel it, and that 45-70 feels like something punches you in the arms. So it's a little different, yeah.
Right. And then after that, you went ahead and transitioned to the rear of the stagecoach.
Yeah, so you shoot off the back of the seat, three shots, 1, 2, 3 on the targets, and then transition to the next rung down on the bench, 3, 2, 1, and then you transition to the side, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Awesome. So how was the stage for you? Was there any kind of game plan? We saw people using tripods to steady their position. Some guys were just using, a bag or a reserve bag. What was your concept going into this?
Yeah, so the game plan before was to actually do holdovers because most people weren't getting through to the third position,
Right.
which is the most stable. And that's what I was going to do. And then I looked, because we have a 20-mile-an-hour wind or so right now, I didn't have any wind dots in my reticle for those specific holdovers.
Gotcha.
So I had the dot above and below, so I'd be holding in space, and for me it doesn't work out too well. So I just dialed my elevation and held on the middle hash.
Nice. Well, we appreciate your time and wish you the best of luck. And look forward to seeing you this morning.
All right.
Hey guys, I'm here with my good friend Teresa. Teresa, how are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
Very good,
Pleasure.
thank you. First off, I want to say welcome back. This is your first national level match since you've started a family.
Yes.
So congratulations and welcome back to the sport.
Thanks.
How has it been for you?
It's really good. It's fun. It's fun going back to the national level competition again. It's definitely different than local competitions. A lot more stressful, challenging, but really, really fun.
Awesome. So you're out here having a ton of fun. It's been how long? A year and a half, 2 years?
About 2 years.
2 years, right? Since you competed on the national level. New family, baby, husband. A lot's happened since last time we saw you in a national match.
Yes.
And you're actually out here shooting with your husband.
Yes.
How's that dynamic working?
I love it. I mean, he's been my mentor since the beginning. So I wouldn't be here without him. It's just a lot different if you're shooting with your partner in crime.
Absolutely. So tell us about your gear. What are you out here shooting? What caliber? What rifle? What platform?
I'm actually shooting a 6.5 Creedmoor, and I shoot with I use prime ammo.
Awesome.
Of course, US Optic aerodynamics.
Of course.
And PDC custom for my chassis.
Awesome chassis.
Yes, I absolutely love it.
What would you say to all of the ladies out there, especially the moms? If you're a mom
Yes.
and you're out here and you're competing and you're kicking ass and you're having fun, what would you say to all of our moms, all of our ladies that are watching?
I just wanted to tell you guys that just do it. It's, you know, there's nothing better than just to start doing it. We all start from somewhere. You don't have to be the greatest. Everybody works and squat from the bottom. Then you work your way up. And just have fun and learn from it.
Awesome. Well, we know you have your next stage coming up, so we don't want to take up too much of your time. We really appreciate it. It's good to see you again. Good to see you. And have a good rest of the day at 12.
Thank you.
Stage 3, Rocky Humps. With a round count of 10 and a 2-minute time limit, shooter will move to position 1 and engage targets 1 and 2 with 1 shot each. Transition to position 2 and engage targets 2 and 3 with 1 shot each. Position 3 to engage targets 3 and 4 with 1 shot each. And finally transition to position 4 and engage targets 1 and 4 with 2 shots each.
We are here at the 2017 Rocky Boots Dog Valley Precision Rifle Match in Utah. And I am here with Ralph from Rocky. Ralph, how are you, sir?
Travis, great to be here.
Terrific.
Thanks for the invite.
Thank you for having me or for coming out and supporting the match. We truly appreciate it. Why don't you tell our audience a little bit about your product?
Okay. Well, there's several divisions in Rocky. We're one of the divisions, our commercial military. And what we have is a variety of various boots for all our military, predominantly Army, our Air Force, Navy, as well as our Coast Guard. But what I have today showcasing the Coyote Brown type pattern boots. We've got everything from our enhanced jungle boots, which is like our hot weather boots, to our Rocky lightweight boots, steel toes, in climate cold weather, our basic combat boots, and then the newest of them all, our C7 lightweight boot. This recently was utilized during the Best Ranger competition at Fort Benning, Georgia. So we get out there and support all our military, to include our law enforcement and events like the National Rifle League here. So Travis, it's definitely an honor and pleasure to be here, out here in Nephi, Utah.
Absolutely. We really appreciate having you out here, Ralph. And then I'm going to bring in Rob. Rob, can you talk to us about your new camo line?
Yes, we have our new camo line. It's called Venator. It was actually designed with and for the outdoors people and with guides in mind. We had spent about 2 years developing the pattern, and as we developed the pattern, we noticed there was 4 basic colors that kind of go across the country. So it's very universal, whether you're hunting east of the Mississippi or out here in Utah and in the mountains. It works extremely well, so it helps. You don't have to have multiple camo patterns for different types of hunting, whether you're hunting elk or you're hunting whitetail or whatever species you're hunting. So it works extremely well, and it's very versatile, it's lightweight, and it's based on a layering system. So and the best part about it is it's very economically priced too. So.
Now we've seen the pattern, and you actually, Rocky was generous enough to actually provide the match shirts for all 122 competitors out here, and these shirts are awesome. They're very sexy, very lightweight, very comfortable. They're not I mean, like you said, they're very economically priced, but for a match shirt, they're very high end. And we really want to appreciate you guys, all of Rocky, for your support in coming out here to Dog Valley, to the NRL, and look forward to supporting you guys as much as possible throughout the future.
We appreciate it. Thank you for having me.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
This concludes day one of the 2017 Dog Valley Precision Challenge presented by Rocky Boots. Competitors were faced with winds of up to 20 miles per hour and were treated to stages they had never seen before, including a platform stage floating on water. Stay tuned for our coverage of day two and the awards ceremony and find out which 3 competitors came out on top for the 2017 Dog Valley Precision Challenge.